Distractions are part of our life, so we can't avoid them completely, but we can limit and control the same. So we can follow these simple tips to control our distractions. The first and foremost distraction in our life is our mobile phone. So nowadays we installed almost all social media apps. So we used to get notifications 24/7, I would say. So we need to turn off notifications and even pop-up messages and all these things. You may ask, you may get some urgent and emergency messages in WhatsApp or some other apps. Always remember, if something is urgent and emergency, that person will wait for 1 or 2 minutes and then he will call you directly. He won't depend on those WhatsApp and all those stuff. So don't worry about that. And the second one is, if you have a habit of watching TV, then you have to reduce that watch time by allocating some time in other priority works. So initially you may not able to allocate all the time into these important tasks, but you can start that one slowly, and later it's good to stop watching TV completely. Yes. And the next one is, we can write our daily tasks with deadlines. Yes, when we get distracted, these deadlines will help, like our mind will pass signals to complete the task in another 30 minutes. You have to come back to work. So if we get that signal, we will come back to our actual work immediately. If you don't have any deadline like this, then we will be spending all our time in the distracted task and we will never come back. So if you see, all these things comes under some external things and external factors, and all these things can be controlled by turning off notifications or writing down with deadlines, all this stuff. But there will be few internal things and internal stuff. So like distractive thoughts and distractive emotions and all these things, and these things can be controlled only by doing meditation. Yes, allocate some 15 to 20 minutes of your time in doing meditation. So follow these simple tips and be focused amidst distractions. Thank you so much for watching.